Hello, Algebra 2. We're getting close to the end here. We're just practicing and fine-tuning what we can do and what we know about absolute value equations. And this worksheet has 6 problems for you to practice. I want you to try to graph these equations without making a table. If you can make a table, that's awesome. Making a table works. We love making tables, awesome, plug in numbers. But there are shortcuts to be had, and there's more efficient ways of doing that. So if we can make these generalizations, we can make life easier for ourselves. So here's the example. It says y equals -1/5 x plus 1 plus 4. I'm at home, so my camera is a little fuzzier than the one I use at school, but that's okay. That's what it says. The first step to these is to write the vertex. Wherever the vertex is, that's where we're going to start from. Just like in a table, we put the vertex in the middle and start from there. So no differences here. Okay, we need to remember there's a sign flip. That's actually going to be a -1. And then there's no sign flip, 4. So I'm going to go to the point -1, 4. -1 to the left, +4. Puts me right there. There's the vertex. Next thing, now we just kind of remember about the a value. The a value is negative. It's actually -1/5. Negative means I know it's going to open down. It's going to be a down, upside down V here. How wide are we going to make it? Hopefully we remember if it's 1/5, it's going to be wider than normal, right? If it's less than 1, if it's a value between 0 and 1, then it's going to be wider than normal. But I can just treat this 1/5 as my slope. I know it's going to have to go down and over to the right or down and over to the left to get to my next point. And in this case, it's down 1 over 5. So from this dot, I'm going to go down 1 and over 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and put another dot. Okay, going the other way, down 1 over 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's in the exact same spot on the other side of the axis of symmetry because it's symmetrical. These are symmetrical. Okay. From here, I'm just going to connect those dots with as straight a line as possible. I'm over here looking for something straight, but I'm just going to freehand this. If you can have a ruler or a straight edge, it would make it look prettier. So it's a very wide V. Oh my gosh, I almost wanted to redo this entire video because of that, but I'm not going to. Okay, we have the dots where they need to be. You can use something straight, and hopefully your V will come out better than mine, but that's the idea. Vertex first, that's where we start from, then use the a value to tell us where to go, what the slope of one of those lines is, and does it open up or down. Moving on, finish that thing up. See you guys.